Hey guys, welcome to Bite-Sized Book Reviews. I'm Katie.
And I'm Josh. Today we are talking It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. To give some background, this book follows the story of Lily, a young woman who's just moved to Boston to start a new life. Katie, what did you think about this one?
Josh, I thought from the get-go we're introduced to some heavy themes, namely domestic abuse, but I thought Colleen Hoover did a great job of tackling this topic with sensitivity and depth.
I was thinking the same thing. This is a hard topic to write about. My thought was, it's not just about the abuse itself, but also the psychological effects it has. Lily's struggle to come to terms with her own trauma and make sense of her feelings, I thought, was a gripping part of the story.
I totally agree. I could really see that through the character development in this book, as it is top-notch. I thought each character was so well crafted and complex, I really felt like I got to know them throughout the story.
Absolutely, it drew me right into the story from start to finish. But for me, it wasn't just the main characters, but the supporting characters as well. As we all know, they play an important role as well, but here I found great detail was given to their own distinct personalities and motivations.
I agree, but that being said, I did have some issues with the pacing. I felt there were times where the story felt a little slow to me, especially in the middle. Almost where I had to push myself to finish the story for a few pages, but I was glad that I did.
Interesting. Personally, I didn't have a problem with the pacing. I thought it was a necessary slowdown to build up to the powerful ending.
Yeah, I can definitely see where you're coming from. And speaking of the ending, without giving anything away, I thought it was a really satisfying conclusion to the story.
Same here. It was emotional and cathartic, and I think readers will really connect with it.
In the end, I'd highly recommend It Ends With Us to anyone who's looking for a thought-provoking and emotionally resonant read.
Yeah, this book definitely left an impression on me. It's a great example of how powerful and impactful literature can be.
And that's a wrap for our review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more bite-sized book reviews.
And click the bell for notifications so you never miss an upload. You can also check us out on Facebook. Thanks for watching Bite-Sized Book Reviews. See you next time.